My peoples, I am going to be making hoop earrings. My supplies are cutting pliers, round nose pliers, nylon pliers, chain nose pliers, and 20 gauge wire. And also we are going to be needing something to mold the hoop earrings. And you can use any size you would like. Okay guys, this is what it's gonna look like after I'm done. What you do, you grab this, you straighten it out a little bit. Okay.
Stay in the camera.
Straighten it out a little bit.
What tool is that?
It's the nylon pliers.
Good job.
Are you my teacher or something?
I am. Okay, I think that's enough.
More. I'm a straightener monster. Oh man, that was not enough. Okay. Thank you.
Do it more towards the middle. Because you have it in the edge there and it's not straightening out.
It's not straightening out anyways. Yeah, it's not straightening it out. See?
That's fine.
Devin! What you do is you wrap it around the little mold. And then you can cut it a little bit.
It's better if you hold it here. Cut it here already because you know you have enough. And then you can trim some more. Okay. Turn it this way. Turn it this way so you have control of it. Okay. Okay. So trim it a little bit on each side. Make sure it's nice and tight.
Okay, that's the wrong way. No.
No.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. And then do the other side. Trim it a little bit, about as long as this side. A little bit shorter. This way.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so what do you do next?
What I do next is I bend it like that. I bend it like that or no?
Mm-hmm. Let me see.
Or I bend it like that, right?
Mm-hmm. Uh-huh.
I'm gonna squish it a little bit. I'm gonna make it a little bit tighter. Where is it? You can, if it's too wide, you can make it a little bit tighter. Right, Awaya?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Oh my God.
Okay. So now you wrap that around a little bit more around this one. There you go.
That's it? Right here?
Okay, and then you take what?
It's too loose though. Look.
Don't worry about it. We'll tighten it. Okay. Okay. Now you do this, right? Around those pliers. We'll fix it. Don't worry.
Around those pliers to do
No,
what?
on the other one. On this one.
To do what?
Now you hold it there, and then you fold the wire over this way. No, not the pliers. The wires. Here. Go like this. You hold it there, and then you hold the wire. We can take it out of here now. Come on. Okay. See, we hold it here like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then you can go ahead and twirl.
Okay, I get it. Where's the round nose? Where is the chain nose pliers?
This, I have it here. Here. Wrap it. Wrap the wire around there.
Wait, this one?
Yeah.
Where?
You see? You're gonna wrap it around like this.
I know.
With this one. Try that one.
I have fingers.
You're not doing it on the camera.
Oh, sorry. Wrap it around here. Oh my god. Why is it so hard? You can't really
So
do
now
it.
what you do is, see, you gotta get it in closer. You gotta tighten it a little bit. So you take here, see where the end is of the wire? And you just tighten it like that. Right? And now you fold this.
With what?
With the pliers, you fold it up. With the, no.
Like that?
Yeah, I guess. Here. And then you trim it. And then you do just like that. So put it back in here so it's round again. So it becomes round.
So it's not
And
just...
then you can straighten this out like this.
But it's too loose though.
So now here, do this. That way you can flatten it a little bit. It's a little bit loose, but you know, it's your first one. Don't worry about it. Okay, your first one. There you go. Not bad. Right?
Is it the same size? Where is it? No, it's a little bit bigger.
It doesn't matter. Here,
No, it's just
now you
count.
got to do the hammering
This one?
to yours.
Yes, this one.
First, you can do some hammering, because what does the hammering do?
It flattens it.
And it makes the wire a little bit stronger.
Okay.
So you're hammering with the rubber hammer all around. Okay, now do a little bit of this one. This is the heavy duty hammer, and this will give it a little bit more strength. But you're not hammering it hard enough so it flattens it. You're just doing it so it makes it a little bit stronger. Go all around.
Hold on. Okay, got it.
Got it? Okay, so let's move these aside and let's see. And now what do you have to do? Now you have to put
Now
in
you have to
the
put
hooks.
the hooks.
Okay. So you remember how to do that?
No.
Okay, I'll do the first one.
No, you just wait. This one is yours.
Okay, I'll do the first one. So what you do is you have to open it up.
Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one's yours.
You have to open it up. See how I opened it up? Then you put it through there. Then you close it. There you go.
Okay, that's good. I have one hoop earring.
Here, do this one.
Which way? This one right here?
Look for the opening.
Oh,
You
there.
got to do it on camera.
Sorry. How? Where?
Okay, see? You got to look for the opening. The light is very bad here today. See here?
Oh,
there it is.
there it
You
is.
see it there on this side? Okay.
Got it.
And remember, you do it this way.
This way?
Yeah, there you go.
Oh my god. I can't remember. There, like that?
Uh-huh.
Then you put this through
In there.
here.
Uh-huh.
And then you close it up. Is it in the camera?
Yeah.
The person who's talking, she's my camera lady and my grandmother.
Move a little bit more into the camera right there.
I can't really close it. There you go, I got it.
Okay.
Have two appearing.
Oh, one
that-
fell.
that
Put
fell.
it back on.
There you go. We have two hoop earrings.
What do you say?
Like and subscribe this video. Leave a comment if you want to us to do another video. Bye.